Now here's a breakdown of the method that I use. I promote an affiliate product with mid to high ticket commissions. So it has to pay up to at least $250. Now the front end price could be low, such as $17 or $27, as long as in the back end, in the upsells or the one-time offers, the commission payouts are at least over $200. Okay, and I make sure to offer good bonuses, and then I promote to my list. I know a lot of marketers already do this. It's a well-known method, and this is where I take things a little differently. Is I also create a funnel specifically for this promotion, and in this funnel, I give away a free product, and then on the thank you page, I mention my bonus, and to get this special bonus, uh, the lead or the customer has to purchase the affiliate product through my link. And when I create this funnel, I drive traffic to it every day of the launch. The benefits of this method is that you're sending a consistent message every day to your new subscribers during that first week that they join your list. And you may feel like you're spamming them, but what you're doing is you're educating your new subscribers about this offer, and you're giving them more information to process, because usually it does take an average of 7 messages for someone to commit to buy something. I think that's the average in the marketing industry, is you have to be exposed to an offer an average of 7 times. And also, when you're consistently writing messages about a certain product, you get more familiar with it, and you get more ideas and angles as the product launch goes on. Okay, another big benefit of this method is that you're earning big commissions, or at least you have the potential to earn big commissions, which in turn allow you to reinvest in more traffic and scale up. And also, everything is just congruent, from your funnel offers to your emails and your promotions. A lot of marketers, once they get new leads, they'll just promote products to them and probably promote different products every other day. But at least here, you're promoting the same product, and you're not always being pushy. You're just educating them about the offer. And then maybe on the last day of the product launch, you could be a little pushy, or just there's just that urgency factor. You could remind people that it's the last day before the offer closes.